Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Secure Boot requires UEFI mode and a 64-bit Windows installation. Confirm that your motherboard firmware supports Secure Boot and TPM2. 0. Check manufacturer documentation for exact firmware versions and update instructions. Back up your system and important data before changing boot settings to avoid data loss. Record current BIOS or UEFI settings so you can restore them if needed. Make sure any legacy boot devices are unplugged before proceeding with configuration. Enter UEFI settings by pressing the motherboard hotkey during system start. Navigate to boot or security menus and switch boot mode to UEFI. Disable Compatibility Support Module or CSM if present to allow secure boot enforcement. Enable the Secure Boot option and set it to Standard or Enabled. Verify TPM2. 0 is active under the Security or Trusted Platform Module settings. Save changes and reboot to apply the new Secure Boot configuration. Verify Secure Boot in Windows using msinfo32 and check the Secure Boot state value. If Secure Boot shows disabled, re-enter UEFI and confirm settings again. If the operating system fails to boot, use your backup or recovery media to restore previous settings. You can temporarily disable Secure Boot to install unsigned drivers or legacy OS components. Update device drivers to signed versions to avoid Secure Boot driver rejection. After resolving issues, re-enable Secure Boot and confirm system.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.